DEWALT DW7440RS table saw stand. Lightweight beast that rolls, folds and owns the job site. Let's be real, your current saw stand setup is a slow-moving disaster. It's heavy, unstable, wobbly on uneven floors, and needs 3 hands, 2 prayers, and a miracle just to move across the shop. Your back's shot, your patience is fried, and every project feels like a war against gravity. Poor feed control, limited space, and sketchy balance eat your productivity alive. That table saw you love? It's being held hostage by a junky stand that should have retired years ago. You're not building the next great thing, you're battling the very tools that are supposed to help you do it. Deadlines are breathing down your neck, but your gear keeps tripping you up. You're stressed, sweating bullets, and praying the stand doesn't topple mid-cut, again. You can't afford downtime, shaky cuts, or wasted materials. And God forbid you need to transport that clunker to another job site, you're dragging 60 pounds of pure regret. It's like pushing a shopping cart with a missing wheel. Up a hill. During a windstorm. The chaos is creeping into your work, your confidence, and your spine. You didn't sign up for an injury risk just to cut a straight line. You need help, real, rolling, back-saving help. Enter the DEWALT DW7440RS table saw rolling stand, the collapsible, compact beast engineered to save your back, your time, and your workflow. Built from high-grade aluminum, it weighs just 33 pounds, that's 20% less than the competition, but don't let the likeness fool you, this bad boy handles up to 200 pounds of solid saw power like it's nothing. With wide-set legs, a sturdy kickstand, Jobsite-tested wheels, and a soft-grip retractable handle, it's your mobile, no BS cutting station. This isn't just a stand, it's your portable productivity partner that sets up in seconds, stays rock solid, and rolls like a dream over debris and curbs. Whether you're ripping sheets solo or moving from job site to garage, this stand makes life easier. The quick connect brackets let you attach or detach your saw in a snap. Folding legs with quick release levers collapse under for tight storage. It's stable on concrete, wood, gravel, you name it. Rubber feet stop it from sliding, while the optimal table height keeps your posture dialed in for full-day comfort. Customers call it rock solid, effortless to move, and built smarter than anything else. Instant setup, full mobility, and pro-level support, it's the fastest way to take your table saw from clunky to cutting edge. You've wasted enough hours wrestling your old stand. The DW7440RS is the upgrade your workflow deserves, and with thousands of pros already on board, it's clear this one's a fan favorite for a reason. Don't get left in the sawdust. Stocks move quick, especially during promo season. Ready to stop hurting your back and start loving your cuts? Click Add to Cart now and take control of your cuts, your time, and your projects. Risk-free. Built tough. Ships fast. Backed by DEWALT's legendary warranty. You build for a living, this is the stand that builds with you.